सबको समझाना है, संदेश ये है सब तक फैलाना है, अपनी ही धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाना है. Hello everyone, I am Maitri from grade 6A3. Today I am here to present my views on Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated worldwide on 22 April every year to protect natural environment and our beautiful planet. This is the only planet in our solar system which have water and life on it. Earth Day is a very significant day in our life. It reminds us to do some specific acts for the betterment of the Earth. Earth is the only planet in our solar system where life is possible. On the Earth, everything is available which is required to live in. Food, water, oxygen and other necessary things are available on Earth. Beautiful plants and trees in this natural environment are made our life happy on Earth. But greed of human beings is making our environment and Earth unpleasant. Deforestation, pollution, emission are responsible for global warming and climate change. Now, it's time to protect our beautiful Earth so that we can live happily on it. And so, Earth Day is celebrated to create awareness and encourage people to such act which protect our natural environment and Earth. The theme of the Earth Day this year is Planet versus Plastic. Campaigners are calling for a 60% reduction in the production of plastic by 2040. Pollution is the root cause of the destruction of our planet. From seas to land and even mountains, every place has been covered with debris and litter. Our Earth is choking and we must act urgently to prevent it from becoming a dead planet. The most basic thing we need to do is limit our polluting activities. The most 3 steps we need to adopt are reduce, reuse and recycle to limit the amount of waste we produce. So let's come together and take oath to save this beautiful planet and the species living on it. कितनी सुंदर लगती है धरती जब इनमें जीवन होता है. पेड़ देते हैं मीठे मीठे फल हमें जब इनमें जीवन होता है. इनको काटकर ना सजा लेना अपने घर तुम मेरे दोस्त. सांस भी तो तभी देते हैं हमें जब इनमें जीवन होता है. Save Earth, save world. Thank you. Have a good day.